How to create effective AI prompts in Ask AI. Want to get the best answers from Ask AI? It all starts with crafting the right prompt. Today, I will teach you how to create effective AI prompts to get smart, accurate, and useful responses. Let's get into it. First, understand what a prompt is. A prompt is simply the question or instruction you give Ask AI. Clear and specific prompts help the AI understand exactly what you want. When writing your prompt, be as detailed as possible. Instead of saying tell me about history, try give a summary of the causes of World War II. The more info you give, the better the answer. You can guide Ask AI by adding instruction like explain like I am 10 years old, write a formal email, give me bullet points. For example, explain photosynthesis in simple terms with bullet points. Want more depth? Ask for examples or elaborations. Give examples of renewable sources. Explain with detailed steps. If the first answer isn't quite right, just tweak your prompt and try again. For example, make it shorter or add more technical details. And that's how you create effective prompts for Ask AI, clear, specific, and detailed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.